We will start by setting up services in Book24Seven. From the dashboard, click Services in the sidebar. Book24Seven supports multi-level categories, helping you organize services into clear and intuitive structures. To create a new service category, click the plus icon next to Categories. Enter the category name and click the Save icon. To add a subcategory, click the plus icon next to an existing category, choose Category, and enter the subcategory name. If you want to rename a category, click the Edit icon, make your changes, and save. To delete a category or subcategory, click the cross icon. Once your categories are ready, you can start adding services. To add a service, click the plus icon next to a category or subcategory and choose Service. A new service configuration panel will open. You can also add services from List View. Click List View at the top, then click Add Service from the corner. Now let's complete the basic service setup. First, upload a service image. This is optional, but it helps visually represent the service. Next, enter the service name using a clear and engaging title. Then, assign the category. If you added the service from the graphic view, the category is auto-filled. If you added it from List View, you'll need to select the category manually. Enter the service price based on your business currency settings. If you enable deposit, customers can book the service by paying part of the total amount in advance. Set the service duration and time slot length. You can click the information icon for guidance. Optionally, add before and after buffer times if you need preparation or cleanup time. You can also choose to hide the price or duration from customers in the booking panel. If you enable the recurring option, customers can book repeated appointments, daily, weekly, or monthly, in a single session. Select how many times the time slot repeats, set the frequency, and choose the payment method. Next, set the capacity. Use this for group appointments where multiple customers can attend the same session. Add a short, informative service description to explain what's included and highlight key benefits. This helps customers make better booking decisions. You can also add translations in other languages by clicking the Translation tab. Choose your translation language and write the translation in the field. You can also add translation for service name in the service name field. After adding translation, click Save Changes at the bottom. Now let's assign staff to the service. Go to the Staff tab. Each service must be linked to at least one staff member. Select the staff who provide this service. You can assign multiple staff members and optionally enable staff-specific pricing. Next, set service availability. Services can follow business hours, staff schedules, or custom time slots. Open the Timesheet tab inside the Service panel. Here, you can define available days and times, add blackout dates for holidays, or create special schedules for events. You can also add optional extra services. Open the Extras tab and click New Extra. Enter the extra's name, price, and optionally category, duration, and maximum quantity. For example, if your main service is haircut, you can add hair wash as an extra. Customers can select this add-on during booking, and its price will be added to the main service. The minimum quantity defines how many extras must be selected. If set to 0, extras are optional. The maximum quantity sets how many extras can be selected per booking and cannot be 0. After fill out the information, click Save Extra to apply this extra service. You can add multiple extras if needed. Next, open the Settings tab for additional options. You can make the service visible only to staff, set service-specific payment methods, and define a minimum time requirement before booking to prevent last-minute appointments. For example, setting it to 1 day prevents same-day bookings. You can also set limited booking days to control how far in advance customers can book. For example, setting it to 90 days prevents bookings beyond 3 months. Finally, set the minimum and maximum number of extras allowed per booking. The minimum extras count specifies how many additional services a customer is required to choose for each booking. Maximum count for service extras sets the highest number of add-on services a customer can select per booking. For example, if 3 extras are available and you set the limit to 2, the customer can choose up to 2 extras. If you don't need this restriction, you can leave the option disabled. Click Add Service to activate the service for customers. If you want to edit or delete the service from list view, click the 3-dot icon next to the service, then select Edit or Delete. You can also delete multiple services by selecting checkboxes and choose Delete and click Apply. Now let's look at the service structure map in graphic view. Use Zoom and Pan to explore the hierarchy, and click Go to Center to recenter the view if needed. Your service is now added. By following these steps, you can easily add and manage multiple services in Book24Seven. Let's see how. Customers view services in the booking panel. First, they select the location and staff member. Next, they choose the service and any optional extra services they want. Then, they click Next Step to complete the booking. It's very simple and hassle-free.